Have you ever wondered if your company car allowance is actually fair or even tax efficient? Well, that's where the FAVR Vehicle Program comes in. Today, I'll break it down in simple terms so you can see why so many businesses are switching to this smarter option. The FAVR Vehicle Program, which stands for Fixed and Variable Rate, is an IRS-approved way for companies to reimburse employees who drive their own cars for work. Instead of a flat car allowance or just paying mileage, it combines two parts: a fixed payment that covers long-term costs like insurance, registration, and depreciation. A variable rate that adjusts with gas prices, maintenance, and regional costs. This means employees get a more accurate, tax-free reimbursement. Here's why the FAVR Vehicle Program stands out. It's non-taxable, saving money for both companies and employees. It's fairer because it considers where you drive and how much you drive. It's IRS compliant, so there's less risk of costly audits. For example, a salesperson in California might spend way more on fuel than someone in Texas. The FAVR model adjusts for that, so no one is underpaid or overpaid. If you're a business owner or a driver tired of losing money with outdated car allowances, the FAVR Vehicle Program could be a game changer. Want to learn more? Check out our resources and see how much you could save with a customized plan. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop your questions about the FAVR Vehicle Program in the comments. I'd love to help.